What's your level in English? Friends, English is divided into six different levels: A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, and C2. A1 is for beginners. A2 is for elementary, B1 is for intermediate, B2 is for upper intermediate, C1 is for advanced, and C2 is for proficient English speakers. Hello and welcome to the Knowledge Mantra. This is your speech coach Nitesh Jha. And today in this video we shall talk about the level of your English. Yes, today in this video we shall talk about what level do you have in English. Friends, do not skip this video anymore, as I'm not gonna provide you a bunch of questions or maybe a question paper to know your level, but we shall discuss about all those six levels of English language in detail. So let's get started without wasting the time. Friends, the first level of English language is A1. A1 belongs to the beginner level. People who belong to A1 or beginner level can introduce themselves or can ask questions or answer questions about their personal details. For examples, what is your name? My name is Anthony Gonzalez. What is your age? I'm 25 years old. Where do you live? I live in Nainital, etc. Right? So such questions they can answer in a best way, or maybe the questions related to their personal background they can answer. So if you know only this much English, wherein you can introduce yourself or you can talk about your personal details, then you belong to this particular level in English, which is A1 or beginner level. The next level in English language is A2 level, which is also called elementary level. People belong to this particular level can actually understand the sentences used in day-to-day life. They can also talk on the familiar topics like daily routine, shopping mall, mobile phone, computers, etc. In easy words, I can say they shall be able to answer such questions like what do you take in breakfast, or at what time do you take breakfast, what is your favorite day, where do you go for shopping, or what do you do in your spare times, etc. If you are able to answer such questions, or if you are able to ask such questions, you belong to this particular level, which is called A2 level or elementary level. Friends, the next level in English language is B1 level, which is also called intermediate level. People belong to this particular level can actually deal with the most situations likely to arise while traveling in a place where this particular language is spoken. They can also describe their experiences, plannings, or maybe events. They can also answer the questions briefly, or maybe can give you the explanation. In easy words, I can say they shall be able to describe the questions or maybe events, like talk about the last birthday celebrations of yours, or maybe what is the achievement, the greatest achievement of your life, or maybe what is the happiest moment of your life. So if you're able to describe all these events, you belong to this particular level, which is called B1 or intermediate level. Next level in English language is B2 level, which is called upper intermediate level. People belong to this particular level can interact with the degree of fluency and spontaneity that makes a regular interaction with the native speakers with no difficulties. The next level in English language is C1 level, which is also called advanced level. People belong to this level can share their ideas spontaneously and fluently. They can also use the language effectively for their social, academics, and professional purposes. Last but not the least, the next level of English language is C2 level, which is also called proficient level. Friends, people belong to this particular level can understand the language with ease, with no difficulty, or everything heard or read. They can understand and speak the language effectively, precisely, and fluently, even in the most complex situations. Of course, they are the native speakers. Now, it's time for me to ask you the question that what level do you belong to in English, or what level in English do you have? Write in the comment, and also write, are you happy with this particular level? Thank you very much for watching. Keep watching the Knowledge Mantra.